Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless.
Alright, so today is big smoky out. I don't know if you can see it, but the sky is orange, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, there's a wildfire. I don't know where. I can probably pop up a picture of where it is on the screen, but it's I don't know, it's pretty orange. It's like 20. It's like 29 today, but it doesn't feel like 29. It feels like 15 because there's no sunshine. But so anyway, just fixed the bike. Leaking oil the other day. So yeah, gonna test it out at the trails. See how well this thing does. Oh, it's pretty hard for me actually. I'm wearing elbows right now, and they're dark and it's already out from the smoke covering the sun. So. I can tell after fixing the clutch and getting a new clutch basket, it's definitely much faster now. Oh, yeah, it's very slippery there. But I don't got much tread on my back tire too, so. There usually is a top that parks over there, so you're gonna hope that there's no top. I found this trail over here. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, we should be fine. Okay, so let's find this trail. Okay. I've actually never been in this trail before, only seen it on Google Maps, so I gotta be careful just in case there's something. Anyways, I should probably. Oh, there's a bridge right there. Oh shit. Okay, that's the baseball field right there, so I think it's smart to turn around and then try to find, because I know there's another trail around here, but it's over there. Because I was walking down a different trail, but it's attached to this one. So, anyways, let's go. It's so dark in here, and I don't really want to take off my goggles just in case, like a bug, tries to fly in my face. But I don't know, honestly. So, anyways, let's just keep going. The bike is really loud right now. It's probably doesn't sound that loud on camera, but it's really loud because it doesn't have any. There's not a lot of packing in the exhaust. Well, this bike's from 2008, so. block just broke. Okay, now I'm pretty loud in here, so I don't want the cops to follow me. Shit, so I should probably go back to the other trail. Because I don't think this one really leads out to anything. I think it just goes and it stops. So, shit. Oh. Because I don't want to move the bike in neutral, but honestly, dude, oh fuck. Okay, cool. Okay, I should probably ride the rest of the way back. I got something in my shirt though. Ugh. Oh. Oh. I feel like something bit on my neck. Ah. Ah, what the fuck? Alright. Oh my gosh, my goggles are fogging up. It's pretty hot in here actually. Let's actually go back. Oh. Okay. I don't like how that lobs sideways. Oh, my neck! Ah! What the fuck? I don't want to look at it right now, though. I just want to get back. Oh, shit. Yeah. I'm kinda guessing where I am right now. Shit. Yeah, let me actually take a look at this. Like, might be bleeding, I don't know. Alright, I think something bit me. It's hurting really bad right now. Holy. Alright. Oh my goodness. My whole shoulder is starting to hurt now. I think something bit me. Oh my god. Like my left shoulder is actually in pain. Oh my gosh, I thought that light was like a cop or something. I'm like fucking... I think there's fire ants on me. Holy crap, I think, oh my god. Yo, there's actually fire ants on me, like, look. Like, I'm getting bit, like, fuck. I got bit on my chest just now. Alright. I gotta go home and change shirts.